There is a basic setup for solving any kind of word problem. Is that you need to read the problem very carefully. Go ahead and decide what operations you might need, what equations you might want to set up, what way you're plan on solving it. Then you actually solve it, perform those equations, solve that problem, and then you check your answer. In this particular section, we're going to work on averaging numbers. So you have to find the sum of the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers in that set. And we're also going to work on doing a few simple word problems. So let's start with averaging these numbers down here. In order to find the average, you take these numbers, we will add them up. And then divide by the number of values. So in this case, I would take 15 plus 8 plus 90 plus 35 plus 27 and divide all that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because there were 5 numbers. So I'm going to say 15 plus 8 plus 90 plus 35 plus 27. You enter, you can't even see what that is. It says it's 175. Come back over here with it. And then I go divided by 5, and it tells me 35. So 35 is the average of those numbers. One for you to try. So you'd have to take the 18, 29, the 6, the 33, the 14, and the 26. Add them all up and divide them by what number? That's correct, 6. That gives me 126 divided by 6 equals 21. So my average is 21. Ooh, let's look at some of these down here. I was going to let it go, but then I saw something. Averages are found by performing addition and then division. True or false? True. It says the sum of 312 and 4 is 1248. That is false. That's the product. Because product means multiplication. Sum means add. The word quotient indicates multiplication. True or false? False. Quotient means division. After reading a problem carefully, the next step might be to make a diagram or draw a figure. That is true. Stephen is calculating how many calories are in his lunch. He has a hamburger that has 354 calories, a medium fry that has 365, and a chocolate milkshake that has 384. How many total calories is his meal? What will we do? They use the word total, which means they want us to combine them. So 354 plus 365 plus 384 is how we will combine them. $354 plus 365 plus 384 gives us 1,103. That's a lot of calories. For a class in statistics, Anthony bought a new graphing calculator for $95. Special graphing paper for $8, a USB flash drive for $10, a textbook for $105, a workbook for $37. How much did he spend for this class? Once again, they want us to combine them, so we're going to be adding. So that's 95 plus 8 plus 10 plus 105 plus 37. We spent a lot of money for that class. $255. The Lee family spent the following amounts in groceries. That much in June, that much in July, that much in August. What was the average amount they spent for groceries in these 3 months? What should we do? We need to average them. So I'm going to have to add them up. 338 plus 307 plus 318 and divide them by 3. And we get 321. So that is their average amount spent on groceries for those 3 months. This one's a little more complicated than you need right now, so I'm not going to stress it. Okay, that's it for that section. We'll get to the next section in a minute.